Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on an Infiniti QX56. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to prevent any burns or electrical issues. Locate the headlight assembly you need to service. You will typically find it behind the front bumper or fender liner. Gather your tools, including a new H11 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Safety first, always. Next, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side where you are replacing the bulb. This gives you better access to the fender liner. Carefully remove the 3 plastic clips holding the fender liner in place using a flathead screwdriver. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This action will expose the rear of the headlight assembly, allowing you to reach the bulb housing easily. Be gentle to avoid damaging the liner. Now, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. It usually has a small tab you press to release it. Once disconnected, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and pull it straight out. Take your new H11 bulb, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Finally, push the fender liner back into its original position and reinsert the 3 plastic clips you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Before closing up completely, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to ensure it functions correctly. If it lights up, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. Remember, proper lighting is crucial for safe driving. Also, for other great deals and the link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.